Today I'm going to show you how to search on Leonardo AI the right way, because a lot of people open the homepage, scroll through the community feed, and assume they can search that area like a normal gallery, but that's not how it works. If you want to find ready-made templates, styles, and reusable workflows inside Leonardo AI, you need to use the Blueprints feature in the main menu. This is a quick tutorial, so if it helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more AI guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Leonardo AI in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you land on the homepage, you'll usually see the Community Creations feed. This is where Leonardo AI shows artwork and examples made by other users. You can scroll through this feed to get inspiration, but here's the important part. You cannot search this feed like a normal search engine. There isn't a simple search bar here where you can type in a keyword and instantly find exactly what you want. So if your goal is to search for ready-made templates or discover reusable prompts and blueprint-style setups, you need to look at the top navigation area of the site. In the main menu above the feed, find the blue Blueprints button. This is the feature that gives you a much better way to browse structured templates and pre-built creative ideas inside Leonardo AI. Click on Blueprints and now you'll be taken to the section designed for searching and exploring these ready-made options. From here, you can browse different blueprint entries instead of just endlessly scrolling the community feed. This is especially useful if you're trying to find a specific style, a particular workflow, or a starting point for your own AI images. Think of it this way. The community feed is mainly for inspiration, while Blueprints is the place to look when you want something more organized and template-driven. If you were stuck wondering why search wasn't working the way you expected, this is the reason. Leonardo AI separates general browsing from blueprint discovery, so using the right menu saves you a lot of time. Once you're inside Blueprints, you can explore the options available and pick one that matches the kind of image or result you want. From there, you can use it as a base and customize it to fit your project. That makes it much easier to get started, especially if you're new to the platform or if you want a faster workflow. So to quickly recap, if you want to search on Leonardo AI, don't rely on the Community Creations feed. Instead, go to Leonardo AI, look for the Blueprints button above the feed, and use that section to find ready-made templates and structured creative ideas. That's the simplest way to navigate the platform more effectively. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.